generator for sale, the Onan Genset 3 6500 watt. Comes with this double battery pack from a wheelchair, real strong wheelchair batteries. Also comes with the 15-gallon gas can. It's not set up right now, but you'll have to set it up. But there's a free huge old gas tank for you. Like I said, comes with the wheelchair batteries, and it's all redone. What we got here is a new carburetor. We got a fresh oil filter with oil change. We got a fresh fuel filter. We got a fresh air filter in here. Everything's new. Everything's new. New fuel line as well. Everything's been cleaned up and put all the pieces back on, and it's running great. Relocated the fuel pump right here to keep it inside this box here, out of the way. And right now I'm just using a gas can, but you can have this 15-gallon can for free, as well as these batteries come with the generator. But yeah, it's got 350 hours on it. That's it. These are made to go to 5,000 hours before the top end needs to be rebuilt, and even the top end rebuild is very, very cheap. But yeah, it's only 350 hours, so it's running brand new oil change, spark plugs, everything new. Come get it. Let's go.